Hi friends, in this session we are going to discuss about Flip HTML5. It's an online platform to store and share the PDF file. Okay, so here it is written. This is the home page of Flip HTML5. You can find out this website by giving searching option as Flip HTML5 in Google, or directly you can type fliphtml5.com. You get this is the this website, and here it is written that interactive HTML5 digital publishing platform for magazine, catalogs and more. So the advantage of this is that it can be used to make a flipping book, like the page turnover facilities available. Okay, to start with, you can sign in. If you are a new user, you can give sign up option. Otherwise, you can log in with the help of Google account or Facebook account. Okay, so here I am logging with the help of my Google account. So just clicking here, it will be logged in. Yes. So this is my front page. Okay, so I logged in as Dr. Anil Kumar. Then flips means folder. Then my bookcase is Dr. Anil Kumar is given. So here you can upload any book directly using the quick upload option. You can upload the PDF file. Otherwise, you can just click here. Okay. So if you click here, you can create a new folder, or if you click here, it will go into the default file. I'll just show you. This is the default folder. So here you can by just clicking add new book, or you can upload the PDF file, or you can batch upload. You can do the number of, if you are having more than one book which is to be uploaded in a particular folder, you can do this one. So before uploading into this, why we are using this Flip HTML file? So usually in our tutorial session in classes, we are having so many notes or textbook, etc. in the PDF form. So sharing this PDF is very difficult because of the size. Size may be different for different files. So what we are doing is, just like YouTube or Anchor FM, we will upload the PDF file in this website, Flip HTML5. Then we just share the link which is available in Flip HTML file. So the student can able to see the PDF file in the flipbook form. Okay, using that link. Okay, and this is you can see the sharing option is available here. Export book list is there. You can edit the setting, etc., etc. You can do. So I'm going to create a new folder here. Okay, so for that purpose, just click here plus button. New folder. This is the default file, and here I am having three books. Let it be there. Then I'm just clicking the new folder name. So BSc physics, physics, first year, whatever, second year, second year. To categorize this, you can give the folder name. Then as usual, you can categorize it. If this is education related, so that the different options are here, so you can select any of them. I think we can give science, right? Educative is there. So just click the educative. Okay, textbooks, textbooks and notes. Just so just I created. So that folder is created. Now you can see here, instead of along with the default folder, we are having another new folder called BSc Physics second year. So then just click the add new books. Okay, either by drag and drop you can upload the book, or by clicking the upload PDF you can upload the book. There are two methods. Okay, then I just move to my desktop file. Then here I am having a two. I am just taking this Iyengar numerical book, open, wait for some time. The title has been read, so that it is written here. If any modification we can, if we want to do, we can do here. Okay, so converting process is going on. We have to wait 1 or 2 seconds for that, depending upon the internet speed. After uploading this file, we can make it in a shareable form, public shareable form. So if you want to put it in a searchable manner, you can put some keywords here. The searching option is very easy, but not compulsory. So it's almost complete. The process is going. The book is clear. So here, if any change you have to make, you can give here. Then labeling you can do. Then after that, you can change the template also. Metro, handy, different styles are there. So if I click this one, automatically here will be changed when we apply. Styling, anything you can, themes or design we can change. Then if you click the apply, the process is completed within seconds. Okay. Then if you click here, it will be hidden. Then this is the HTML file. Now here you can see the shareable link. This is the book link, and this you can share anywhere. Just right click, then copy, then here you can paste, and just press enter. Okay, it's over. Then I am just changing the book, turning over the pages by clicking here. This is the first page. Okay, see, the page is just changing. Just like a book. Okay, then if you click here, it will be seeing as a full screen. Okay, then this can be used for zooming application. This is search file. So many buttons are there. By properly using these buttons, you can opt to the required facilities. Okay, so this is the in this way you can change. Then if you click here, you can give some number 234, page will directly go 234. Okay, see, this is that required page. Okay, then if you click the zooming application, zoom. Okay, then just press the escape key, it will move to the normal side. So this is the flip HTML file. So this link can be shared anywhere. Okay, so I'm just closing and we are moving to this side. So here you can see the same option. Okay, so we uploaded the file. After that, we move to the first file. So this is the book uploaded. Iyengar, full details are here. Okay, so second book also we can upload. For that purpose, I just one more file I will show you how to upload. Depending upon the number of pages in the book, the speed will vary. info. Yes, it's converted. Apply. Okay, then you can hide. Okay, so this is just like, so the main advantage of Flip HTML5 is that once we uploaded the file here and we can able to generate the link for this. So this is the link for the this particular file. If you share this link to any platform, okay, by using this link you can open any PDF, this particular book. A specific PDF reader is not required in mobile phone or laptops to read the books in Flip HTML5 website. So this is the way you can so two books I uploaded here. Okay, same way you can change my bookcase also. So instead of here my name is there and another one more is to be created, I can create that. In that way any folder or any bookcase can be created. Okay, so if you want to share this one again, so then what we have to do, you just see sharing option is there, embedded option, embedded link you can generate, share option you can generate. Just clicking here, if you can, you can able to share this QR code or this book link. You can share on Facebook, Twitter account, or more files are here. We are not going to that. So QR code is there. So in this book, then the privacy option you can check. The privacy settings you can click here, the public on the web. Okay, you can keep private on Flip HTML5. That means you cannot able to share it, only stored on this PDF file. Then private means only authorized user can read your books. That means those who are getting the shared link can see the books. In that way you can control the privacy. Then reading fashion is there. You can sell if you want, but here it is not possible because I opted the free version, so that selling is not possible. Then disable option is there. If you disable this one, the sharing option won't work. That means somebody is having the link for this one, and if you disable this one, that link won't work. Okay, so that is different buttons for different applications. So this is about Flip HTML5. It's a good application for storing PDF books. Okay, thank you.